Hey there, business builders. Welcome back to Business Top 5, the channel where we break down the top tools, strategies, and ideas to take your business to the next level. Today we're diving into a must-know topic, the top 5 social media platforms for business growth. Whether you're running a local business, an online service, or a global brand, this list will help you choose the right platforms to grow your audience and achieve your goals. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs. And hey, we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which social media platform has worked best for your business. Now let's get into it. First up is Facebook, the OG of social media platforms. It was founded back in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg and his college roommates as a simple way for students to connect. Fast forward to today, and Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms in the world with over 2.9 billion monthly active users. So why is Facebook such a big deal for businesses? Let's break it down. One of its biggest strengths is its massive reach. Think about it. Facebook has users from all walks of life across every age group and from nearly every country in the world. This makes it an incredibly versatile platform for businesses that serve diverse audiences. Whether you're targeting young parents, retirees, or college students, chances are they're on Facebook. Another major advantage is its advertising tools. Facebook ads are some of the most advanced in the world. Let's say you own a bakery in a small town. You can create an ad that targets people within a 10-mile radius who have shown interest in cakes, parties, or desserts. Or, if you're a coach offering online classes, you can target people worldwide who are interested in self-improvement. It's like having a marketing team that knows your ideal customer inside and out. For local businesses, features like Marketplace and Facebook pages are incredibly helpful. Marketplace is great for showcasing products, while pages allow you to share updates, gather reviews, and directly engage with your community. But it's not all sunshine and roses. A significant challenge is declining organic reach. If you've ever posted something on your Facebook page and felt like nobody saw it, you're not alone. Facebook's algorithm prioritizes content from friends and family, so businesses often need to invest in ads to get seen. And let's not forget the competition. With millions of businesses on Facebook, standing out requires creativity and strategy. You'll need eye-catching visuals, engaging captions, and sometimes a little humor to keep people interested. That said, if you're a local business owner, service provider, or even an online entrepreneur looking to reach a broad audience, Facebook is an essential platform. Next on the list is Instagram. Created in 2010 by Kevin Systrom and Mike Krieger, Instagram began as a platform for sharing beautiful photos. Today it's a hub for influencers, brands, and businesses that want to connect through visual storytelling. One of Instagram's biggest draws is its high engagement rate. Instagram users love to interact with content, they're not just scrolling past. This means your posts, stories, and reels have a higher chance of sparking conversations, likes, and shares. If you're looking to build strong relationships with your audience, this is the platform to be on. Let's talk about Stories and Reels, two of Instagram's most popular features. Stories let you share behind-the-scenes content, daily updates, or quick announcements that disappear after 24 hours. Perfect for keeping your audience engaged without overloading your feed. Reels, on the other hand, are short, entertaining videos that can reach new audiences thanks to Instagram's algorithm. Imagine creating a 15-second video showcasing your product or sharing a tip. It's a great way to grab attention. However, Instagram has its challenges. One common frustration is the limited linking options. You can only add clickable links in your bio or through stories if you meet certain criteria. This can make it harder to drive traffic directly to your website. Another downside is the time investment. Instagram thrives on consistent, high-quality visuals. That means you'll need to put effort into your photography, editing, and captions. It's worth it though if you're in industries like fashion, food, travel, or e-commerce where visuals are everything. Now let's talk about LinkedIn. Founded in 2002 by Reid Hoffman, LinkedIn is the go-to platform for professionals and B2B businesses. With over 900 million users, it's an incredible space to network, establish authority, and find clients. LinkedIn's biggest strength is its professional focus. Unlike other platforms, LinkedIn users are there to discuss business, share insights, and build relationships. This makes it perfect for anyone in consulting, coaching, or industries that require trust and credibility. Posting on LinkedIn is also different. Users engage well with content that's educational, inspiring, or thought-provoking. If you're sharing articles, case studies, or videos, you'll likely see meaningful interactions. One unique advantage of LinkedIn is its job recruiting tools. If you're hiring, LinkedIn allows you to post job openings, highlight your company culture, and even reach out to potential candidates directly. But LinkedIn isn't for everyone. Its audience is more niche, so if you're a B2C brand, you might not find as much traction here. Additionally, while engagement exists, it's generally slower than on platforms like Instagram. If you're in B2B or looking to grow your professional network, LinkedIn is a must-use platform. Let's move on to TikTok, the rising star of social media. Launched in 2016 by ByteDance, TikTok has quickly become a favorite for short creative videos. It's especially popular with Gen Z and millennials, but its audience is growing every day. TikTok's biggest appeal is its viral potential. Unlike other platforms, TikTok's algorithm doesn't rely on followers. This means even a brand new account can reach thousands or millions of viewers with a single video. Another great thing about TikTok is the creative freedom it offers. You don't need fancy equipment or professional editing. Raw, authentic content performs just as well. It's the perfect platform to show off your brand's fun, quirky side, but there are challenges. TikTok has a steep learning curve. You'll need to stay on top of trends, hashtags, and ever-changing algorithms to succeed. And if your industry is more serious or traditional, it might be harder to find your niche here. That said, TikTok is fantastic for brands targeting younger audiences or businesses in creative industries. Last but definitely not least, we have YouTube. Founded in 2005, YouTube is the king of long-form video content and the second largest search engine after Google. What makes YouTube special is its long shelf life. Unlike posts on other platforms that disappear quickly, a YouTube video can keep generating views for months or even years. This is especially true for educational content like tutorials and how-to videos. YouTube also offers incredible SEO benefits. If your video answers a common question or solves a problem, it can rank on Google, driving consistent traffic to your business. Of course, creating content for YouTube requires a time investment. Filming, editing, and promoting high-quality videos takes effort, but for businesses that can commit, the rewards are well worth it. And there you have it, the top 5 social media platforms for business growth. Each platform has its strengths, so the key is choosing the ones that align with your audience and goals. Now I want to hear from you. What social media platform has helped your business grow the most? Drop a comment below and share your experience with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our top business tips. And if you're ready to take your business to the next level, visit us at Business Lifeline Services at businesslifelineservices.com. Let's get to know you and create a marketing plan tailored to your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep building your business dreams one step at a time.